So ass nigga try to keep this, you know, who the fuck is you? Goofy. This ain't get no money, man. Ronnie, you a hoe too. Telling the whole time, we walk up to the car. Who do that? That ain't even our category, man. We don't even get down like that, man. You can't fuck with us. Never put in this shit. You know what I'm saying? My big homie finna get you for out of this.
Listen, I'm gonna show you how you put this niggas to be rap. You ain't nigga, you ain't lying, you ain't nigga trap. You ain't got the fucking balls for the fucking love. You get that first money, other fucking month. You get that first other month money. Nigga, you the fucking dummy. I heard you on that powder real fucking bad. Try me, nigga, I'ma push your fucking ass. Why me? You's a little toothpick. You got a black tooth. You the stupid bitch. I hit your ass with one hit quick. Have your ass on the ground with the stupid shit. Are you ABM niggas? Y'all stupid dummies. Y'all on that fucking shit. I seen it in person. In the most last night, I was whooping motherfucker. It was a scary sight.